Sam here. Like and subscribe. Today we're going to do an unboxing of a Lenovo ideapad 330S-15IKB. This is a pretty sweet new laptop we just got. It's got an Intel i3, 4 gig of RAM, 128 gigs of solid state storage. So let's get going. Packaging is very nice, styrofoam, keeps it really protected. Not that that's needed because it's all solid state. It's a pretty durable laptop out here. Nicely plastic wrapped. Alright, Lenovo IdeaPad 330S. Nice keyboard cover. Protects the screen from key imprints. Common problem with Apple products. All right. Let's see. Let's power this baby up. All right, it actually comes pre-uncharged for maximum battery lifetime. This is actually bad to have leave your batteries charged. So we gotta plug this shit in. Well, this boots up. One box are wired Insignia optical mouse, gaming mouse. It's got 3 buttons on it. Wow, it's very creative. Got some good designers there, Lenovo. So this mouse comes with, these days it's pretty hard to find a wired mouse, but this one comes with wire for minimal latency when gaming. Which you really want if you have a high APM in StarCraft like me. As you can see, the boot time is incredibly quick due to the inclusion of the solid state drive. Let's look at what we got here. We got the way of ports. Again, another deficiency of most of the terrible Apple products I've seen are they don't really have any ports. They don't even have USB these days, I hear. But this one's got a whole SD card for all those pictures you might be taking with your cameras. USB, again, something that doesn't even exist on Apple laptops these days. This proprietary, I don't even know. Oh, it's for locking your computer, so it doesn't get stolen. Because it's such a nice computer, everyone's gonna want it. HDMI, so you can play your games on your big TV. USB-C, look at that. Quite futuristic. Yeah. Alright, still booting. It's because it's the first startup, actually. First boot usually takes a little bit longer than subsequent boots. Windows has to initialize the NTFS volumes. Alright, and we got our mouse pad. It's called the Speed Surface. It's actually dual-sided. We've got the Speed Surface and the Control Surface. Control Surface is what you want to use when microing, and the Speed Surface, you flip it over back for when you're macroing in StarCraft. Is for, because for micro you need optimal.
A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do.
It's a really polished product here.
Make your computer easier to rest.
Always turn on
Microsoft account alert
sticky keys.
bar.
It helps your keyboard protected from, like, if you spill a soda on it or anything. It'll make sure they don't stick. You don't want to connect to the internet because then hackers can take control of your computer and read all of your files. I'm just going to use this PC. You always want to set a memorable password. Don't want to lock yourself out. If you lock yourself out, you have to return your computer. Do I really have to create security questions? Security questions actually help secure your account in the case that you do decide to connect to the internet. Always keep these far from the computer, but if you do happen to drop one on your keyboard, sticky keys will protect you. All right, I think we're there. Time to start playing some video games.